Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. A good deal. Features also include stability control, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Civic, Honda Civic. Practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.